what's actually inside a black hole. Is it a portal to another universe, a cosmic vacuum, or something even more terrifying? The truth is, no one has ever seen inside one. But science gives us some chilling clues. Let's break it down. Here are 10 mind-blowing facts about what's inside a black hole. 1. The event horizon, point of no return. The first thing you'd encounter is the event horizon. Once you cross it, there's no escape. Not even light can get out. 2. You'd be spaghettified. As you fall in, gravity stretches you like spaghetti. This process, called spaghettification, pulls your feet faster than your head, literally tearing you apart. 3. Time slows down from the outside. It looks like you freeze in time. Thanks to extreme gravity, time slows down near a black hole. To an outside observer, you'd appear stuck forever. 4. Inside. Physics breaks. Once inside, the normal laws of physics stop making sense. Gravity becomes so intense that our current theories, like relativity, start to fail. 5. The singularity at the center lies the singularity. It's a point of infinite density, where all the mass is crushed into something unimaginably small. This is where everything we know completely breaks down. 6. No one knows for sure. Here's the scary part. No one actually knows what's inside a black hole. We can only make predictions based on math and theory. 7. You might see the entire universe. As you fall in, light from all directions could bend towards you. You might see the entire history of the universe, all at once. 8. Information paradox. Scientists believe information can't be destroyed. But black holes seem to erase everything. This mystery is called the black hole information paradox, and it's still unsolved. 9. White holes. Some theories suggest black holes could connect to white holes, objects that spit matter out instead of pulling it in. Basically, a one-way tunnel through space. 10. You're never coming back. Once you're inside, there is no return. No signals, no escape, nothing. Whatever is inside a black hole stays there forever. Black holes are one of the most mysterious and terrifying things in the universe. And the craziest part? We're still just guessing what's inside. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more space and science content. And comment below, would you ever go near a black hole? God.